Hi guys, welcome to the Channel Traveler's Bridge. You know me, I'm all about closing deals and living the high life in the city that never sleeps. But you know what else I'm about? Family. And let me tell you, there's no better place to make memories with your loved ones than Legoland, Malaysia. We're talking next-level family fun, people. Thrilling rides, mind-blowing Lego creations, and enough entertainment to keep your crew smiling from ear to ear. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through Legoland, Malaysia, showcasing the most awesome attractions this place has to offer. First up, we're hitting the Legoland theme park. Now, this isn't some small-time operation. We're talking a massive park packed with epic rides and attractions. And listen, if you're looking for that adrenaline rush, you gotta try the Dragon. This roller coaster blasts you through a medieval Lego castle, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. But hold on, it's not all about high-speed thrills. For those who prefer a more zen experience, Miniland is calling your name. Picture this, iconic Asian landmarks meticulously recreated with over 30 million Lego bricks. Things heating up? Time to cool off at the Legoland water park. You know I love a good pool party, and this place takes it to a whole new level. Imagine building your own raft out of Legos and then cruising down the Build-A-Raft River. Talk about making a splash. And listen, if you're feeling adventurous, brace yourself for the Joker Soaker. This water playground is a guaranteed soaking good time. Why just visit Legoland when you can live the dream? The Legoland Hotel is where it's at. We're talking themed rooms that'll blow your mind. Pirate, Kingdom, Adventure, Ninjago, they've got it all. And it's not just about the looks, people. We're talking Lego decor, treasure hunts, and play areas that'll keep the little ones entertained long after the park closes. Need a break from the rides? Step into the Lego Studios 4D Cinema, where the action jumps off the screen and into your lap. We're talking wind, water, and special effects that'll make you feel like you're part of the movie. We're talking exclusive Lego movies that'll have the whole family on the edge of their seats. All right, parents, this one's for the little ones. At the driving school, your kids can get behind the wheel of a miniature Lego car and navigate a realistic cityscape. And the best part? They get their very own Legoland driver's license. The boating school lets kids captain their own Lego boats around a scenic course. Now, this one's for the adrenaline junkies. The Lego Technic Zone is where it's at. We're talking about the Project X roller coaster with its heart-stopping drops and crazy turns. And if you think you can handle it, try the Technic Twister. This thing will spin you around until you're seeing Legos in your sleep. The interactive robotics workshops will blow your mind. All right, let's get those creative juices flowing. The Imagination Zone is all about unleashing your inner builder. At the Build and Test area, you can design and race your very own Lego cars. And if you're feeling ambitious, head over to the Lego Academy and create your own robotic masterpieces. Take a ride on the observation tower for a bird's-eye view of the entire park. Get ready to enter the action-packed world of Lego Ninjago. This zone is all about mastering the art of spinjitzu. On Ninjago the Ride, you'll use your ninja skills to blast fireballs and lightning with your bare hands, thanks to some seriously cool motion sensor technology. Before you take on the ride, make sure to train like a true ninja at the interactive dojo. After all that adventure, it's time to treat yourself. Head over to the big shop for some epic Lego merchandise. You can even build your own minifigure. Talk about the ultimate souvenir. And listen, all that exploring is bound to work up an appetite. Grab a slice at Pizza Mania or feast like royalty at the Knight's Feast. Listen, no trip to Legoland is complete without capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. And trust me, this place is crawling with photo ops. Snap a selfie with life-sized Lego characters or strike a pose against the iconic Miniland backdrops. The Lego Castle is prime real estate for a family photo that'll make everyone back home jealous. Legoland. Malaysia is an explosion of adventure, creativity, and pure, unadulterated fun. Whether you're a die-hard Lego fanatic or just looking for an unforgettable family getaway, this place has something for everyone. Guys, Legoland Malaysia isn't just a theme park. It's an experience. It's like stepping into a world where imagination runs wild, and let me tell you, that's priceless. From heart-pounding rides to mind-blowing Lego creations, this place has it all. And the best part? It's fun for the whole family. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab the family, and get ready for an adventure you won't forget.